Welcome back to part 2 of our crochet bellflower bag charm tutorial. In this part, we'll complete the flower bud, leaf, and string. This bag charm makes any bag look extra lovely and handmade, so grab your 3mm yarn and 2.5mm hook and let's continue together. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to support more free patterns. Let's get started. For the flower buds, start with a magic ring. Into the ring, repeat chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch 2 times. This creates 1 bud. Make 4 of these. Take your time and enjoy the process. Tip: make sure your stitches are tight so the bud holds its shape nicely. Well done, you're doing great. Now let's move on to the leaf. Start by chaining 18. This will be the base of your leaf. Nice and steady. Let's shape the leaf together. Turn your work and follow the sequence. Slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch. Repeat this along the chain to form a full leaf. Add a decorative point in the center by working slip stitch, chain, slip stitch. Continue shaping with the same sequence until you reach the end. Finish with 2 slip stitches. Tip: keep your tension even so your leaf lies flat and looks neat. Great work, keep it up. Finally, let's make the string. Chain 120 to create a long string to hang your bellflowers. This will let you attach it easily to your bag. Tip: don't pull the chain too tightly. Keep it relaxed so the string stays flexible. Excellent progress. And that's it. You finished your bellflower bud, leaf, and string. In the next step, you can sew them all together to complete your bag charm. Thank you for crocheting along with me. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful crochet projects. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting!